Today's question is x power 4 minus 3x power cube plus 4x power x square minus 3x plus 1 is equal to 0 and x is unknown. So in the first step, I'm going to divide this whole expression by x square. Divide by x square. X4 divided by x square minus 3x cube divided by x square plus 4x square divided by x square minus 3x divided by x square plus 1 over x square is equal to 0. So in the next step, this power 4 divided by x square will give x square minus 3x cube divided by x square will give 3x plus 4x square divided by x square give 4 minus 3x divided by x square will give 3 over x and plus 1 over x square will remain same is equal to 0. So now we will group the same values. We will group the x square with 1 over x square, and here we will group minus 3x with minus 3 over x, minus 3x minus 1 3 over x. This minus will give plus 3 over x, plus here we have 4. Here we have only 4 is equal to 0. So from here, in the next step, we will write it as x square plus 1 over x square minus 3 will be common. We have x plus 1 over x plus 4 is equal to 0. So here we can make our substitution. Let we have x plus 1 over x. It is equal to y. It is equal to y. We will substitute y for x plus 1 over x. Now if we take square of this x plus 1 over x and y on both sides, if we take the square on both sides, we will get x plus 1 over x square is equal to y square. So here we can open this square, x square plus 1 over x square plus 2 is equal to y square. Bring 2 to the other side. Here we have x square plus 1 over x square is equal to y square minus 2. So here we have x plus 1 over x is equal to y, and x square plus 1 over x square is equal to y square minus 2. We will plug in this value and our equation will become, for x square plus 1 over x square, we will plug in y square minus 2 and minus 3. For x plus 1 over x, we will plug in y plus 4. So this is the new equation after the substitution. So we have y square minus 3y and minus 2 plus 4 gave plus 2. It is equal to plus 2 is equal to 0. So now we will factorize this equation. To factorize this equation, here we have the product is 2 and the sum is 3. 2 is the product and the sum is 3. So we can factorize like minus 2y plus y plus 2 is equal to 0. So from this portion we can take y as common and we get y minus y minus 2. From here we have y minus 2 minus, here we will get 1 as a common and we have y minus 2 is equal to 0. From here we have y minus 1 times y minus 2 is equal to 0. So in the next step, we have y minus 1 is equal to 0, y minus 1 is equal to 0, and y minus 2 is equal to 0. From here we have y minus 1 is equal to 0, we have y is equal to 1, and on the other hand side we have y is equal to 2. Now recall the substitution. We have y is equal to x plus 1 over x is equal to 1. So multiply x on both sides, we will get x square plus 1 is equal to x. So bring x to this side, we will get x square minus x plus 1 is equal to 0. It is a quadratic equation where a is equal to 1, b is equal to minus 1, and c is equal to 1. So we will use quadratic formula here. X is equal to minus b, which is equal to minus 1 plus or minus b is equal to minus 1 square minus 4ac minus 4ac here over 2 times 1. So we have x is equal to minus is plus or minus. Here we have minus 1, it is square. 1 minus, it is minus, so minus 4. 4 times 1 is 4 divided by 2. So x is equal to 1 plus or minus. 1 minus 4 is minus 3 over 2. So we can write minus 3 as a product of minus 1 square root 3 times minus 1 square root over 2. So from here we have x is equal to 1 plus or minus square root 3i over 2, because minus 1 square root is equal to I. So we have x is equal to 1 plus or minus square root 3i over 2. So from here we have x plus 1 over x is equal to 2, and multiply by x on both sides, we got x square plus 1 is equal to 2x. So bring 2x to the other side, we have x square minus 2x plus 1 is equal to 0. Now we will factorize this equation, and it is a, if you look at it, it is the formula, which is x minus 1 whole square. It is the formula. We can write it in this form: x minus 1 whole square is equal to 2. So x minus 1 whole square can be written as the product of x minus 1 times x minus 1 is equal to 0. From here we have the value of x is 1. So from here we have x is equal to 1. So we have one value here, x is equal to 1 plus or minus square root 3 I over 2, and the other value is 1. So for this equation we have the value of x is 1, and 1 plus or minus square root 3 I over 2. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe my channel for more solutions and videos like this. Till the next video, bye.